Hi everyone. Uh, I welcome you all in Max tutorial number 5. So we are still in standard primitives actually. So I want to show you a tricks actually. So this is 3D space, right? Your 3D space. So there is a position because x-axis and y-axis and 0 position. So can you see where is the 0? The 0 is here, right in the intersection of this one. 0 is here, here. Here is the 0. Okay, this is the center of your 3D universe. So if you go there, 0 is here, right in the intersection, right in the intersections. Okay, so you can build a 3D object anywhere, like here. Let's say if I go there, so we can build 3D object here, 3D object here, 3D object here. Okay, so let's say only this one. Okay, so how can we do this? How can we position this in a 0 0 position? Like if we drag that in a center position, if we want to drag that in a center position manually, that will be not a correct thing. So what we can do, can you see the little position thing in the bottom right corner of your screen? Can you see the three values x, y, z? Yeah, this is the position value. If you zero that, if you zero and zero that, so you see your 3D object is in center position. Okay, no matter what the 3D object, it will come back in the center position. Let's say I want to create a cylinder kind of thing, like 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 a cone or something like this one. Okay, okay. So this is, after building this, you just go to 0 0 and 0 value. You see, this is perfectly intersecting the box and making it in a 0 value. So you see, this is the 0 value thing. So this is centered position and this is centered position. This tricks is very important in a in a 3D asset creation or a 3D modeling part. It's very important thing. If there is another way you can do that, let's say yeah, let's say here, you see, let's say a pyramid, right? Okay, there is another way. Remember the select and move tool? Right click that. You see, this is minus 10.51 meter offset and y is 1.7 meter. So what is you gonna do? You're gonna do the 0. You're gonna do this is 0 0. Oh, oops, 0 and this one 0. Okay, you see, this is perfectly in a 0 0 position now. So you can see there also 0 0. So there is two ways you can do that. Let's say a torus, okay, somewhere in here. So you can either do it by 0 0 here, so you can find the torus here, or you can go up here and change the value from here, so it will change and it will change the move value, it will change the center value. Okay, yeah. So this is a very handy tool. So how many objects we have here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see, 4 objects are in the center position. So if this trick is important if you are creating, let's say, some complex model, let's say robot head or something a very complex parts of a machine or something. So this is very important tricks to know. So that's why this value is here. Actually, this is a very handy thing. And another thing, suddenly, let's say, suddenly by accidentally you click on this arrow, the lock selection lock toggle. You just click on that. So yeah, so what just happened? You just click on that. You cannot, you can create, but you cannot select or anything. You see, make sure this is not selected. Okay, this is not selected, this is selected, this is not selected, this is beside the lock. So it will restrict the movement of that assets. Okay, okay. So you will learn, you just learned that how to position that the asset in a 0 0 position. Okay, with the standard primitives. And here is the, here is the is the modify option. So what you can do, another thing, you can name them. Let's say this is pyramid 001. You see in the modify panel there is name on there. So the pyramid, there is 001, pyramid 001, box 001, cylinder 00. So you can name them. You can name that whatever you want. Let's say okay, let's say you name them Oppo box or whatever, something, Oppo box 1. So okay, if I create a copy of that, interestingly, it will ask you for the rename. I mean Oppo box 2. You can create a Oppo box 2. Okay, you can create a Oppo box 3, something like that. Okay, yeah. So yeah, okay. And from here, the select by name, you can find that whatever elements you have in your scene. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements listed on your scene. Okay, just go to here, select by name, and you just find the things that Oppo box 1. You have to find a Oppo box 1. So Oppo box 1 is selected. Okay, so this is very handy. I mentioned it before. This is very handy when you have a very complex and lots of components in a project. So in terms of that, this is very handy. Okay, okay, guys. So this is for now on this tutorial. So this is, we learn about how to center the any game, any objects, any 3D objects, how to center them in a viewport, and how to use the XYZ value. So we can use in a lower part of the X and Z value, or in a this part, right click, and you have the value option. So you just put in and the value will be 0, 0, 0, whatever position you need. So the 3D objects will move. Okay, goodbye for now. I will come back again later. Thank you.